Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to recover all deleted messages on WhatsApp. Now, if you're using Android, then there are two ways on how to do this or to solve this. First, you just have to go to your settings and go to your notifications and status bar. Tap this manage notifications, and then you need to scroll down here and look for WhatsApp application. So you can just basically scroll down or tap this letter W, and then it will take you to W applications and you have to locate WhatsApp. So once you found WhatsApp here, what you're going to do next is you have to simply scroll down again and then look for chat history backup. Well, this WhatsApp chat history backup is a feature that allows you to back up conversations, media, and other data to an external storage like Google Drive for Android or iCloud for iPhone. This backup ensures that you can restore your chats if you switch to a new phone, reinstall WhatsApp, or accidentally lose your data. Now, if you don't have this feature and you want to recover all deleted messages, then what you're going to do is you need to open or launch your WhatsApp application and then go to your settings. Now you have to scroll down and then look for chats. Tap chats and then scroll down again till you see chat backup. Now, when you reinstall WhatsApp on a new device or after reinstalling it on the same device, you will be prompted to restore your chat history from the last backup during setup. It will retrieve your chats and media from the cloud service like Google Drive or iCloud associated with your account. This chat backup feature ensures that your conversations and media are safely restored and recoverable if you switch phones or experience a data loss. So I do really hope that any of this method can help you recover all deleted messages on WhatsApp. Thank you so much for watching. If you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. And if you want us to create new tutorials, please do comment down below. See you again in our next video tutorials.